Julius and Tintin para sa pamilyang Pilipino.
Ang dami yung nangyayari, no? Papo sa ating paligid na nakakaapekto sa buhay ng maraming Pilipino. At lalo na ho, sa panahon ngayon, tanong natin, itong mga pinaghihirapan ko araw-araw, kakarampot lang 1,000, 5,000. Paano ko kaya mapapalago ang 1,000 o 5,000 ito? Paano nga ba? Yan ang tanong ng mga Pinoy sa kanilang pera.
Ayan nga, ang papaliwanag sa atin ni Mr. Erwin Lee. He is the fund manager of United Fund Incorporated ng Coco Life Asset Management Company Incorporated, or better known
CAMC.
as Prof.
Ayan, si
Si Prof.
Si Prof.
Welcome to our show, Prof. Lee.
Good afternoon, Sir Julius, Ma'am Tin. Salamat po. Thank you for the invitation.
Yes.
Good afternoon, Prof.
Professor?
Well,
Professor ka ba talaga?
sir, hindi po. So, I'm the fund manager of UFI, United Fund Inc.
Okay.
Yun po yung investment
Uh,
investment fund
Ah.
ni CAMC na naka-invest po sa Philippine stocks.
uh,
Of course, we also have our advocacy of financial literacy. So we have itong CAMC Fund TV.
yes.
And yung character ko po doon is Professor Lee.
Prof. Bagay naman, maging Prof.
Saan napapanood yun?
Nasa social media pages po ni CAMC.
Ni CAMC. Ano yung CAMC?
So it stands for Coco Life Asset Management Company.
Okay.
Yun po yung investment management firm under Coco Life.
So when you say social media, Facebook,
Facebook,
so we'll just type
Instagram.
CAMC, ganon.
Yes po.
Okay, and Instagram.
Yes po.
Okay, wala sa YouTube.
Meron po.
Meron ba kayo sa
Yeah,
YouTube?
meron rin pala. Yeah.
So, marami silang social media pages. Ayan. Pero unahin na natin ito. Ito, pang sa YouTube po, pang news eh.
Oo, yung gera dyan
Oo,
sa
yan.
nagaganap na parang walang katapusan between US and Iran sa Middle East. Malayo sa Pilipinas, pero ano ba ang epekto nitong gera na ito, Prof? If you don't mind calling you Prof, no? Total, yan naman ang parang kumbaga code na name, no? Sa kanyang,
Tinatawag sa kanya sa kanilang mga
kanyang
digital
mga
pages.
digital shows,
Oo.
no? Anong epekto nito sa Philippine economy at sa investment?
Well, sir, since March, right, ever since this whole Iran war,
Yeah.
nakita po natin na tumaas po yung presyo ng gasolina, diesel, fuel, and energy in general.
Yes.
No? Yung dating 60 pesos per liter, umakyat ng 100 pesos per liter. So, mataas pa talaga yung presyo ng bilihin, right? Even yung Meralco rates, tumaas po ng 10 to 20% per kilowatt hour. So, dalawa po yung major risk dyan, no? Yung first is, of course, higher inflation. Lahat po kasi yan tied to fuel and energy prices, mga transportation, production costs, food and essentials. Lahat po yan are affected. So, inflation actually tumama pa ng 7.2% noong April. It's 6.2% noong July. So, bumaba siya ng konti but still above the 2 to 4% target ng Bangko Sentral or BSP. The second risk, sir, is of course lower economic growth. Yung second quarter GDP growth natin was 2.3% lang. Lower pa yun than the 5 to 6% target of the government.
So, ibig sabihin, tama ba, no? Nasabihin na bumababa yung kalidad ng buhay ng mga Pilipino because of the inflation?
Yes, of course, yung purchasing power po ng
Ah.
ordinary families
Yeah.
is affected. And of course, it's not good for the economy.
Oo. Ngayon, sa mga ganitong pagkakataon, pwede ka pa rin bang mag-invest?
Yes, sir. Actually, I think it's a good time to invest. In fact, speaking from personal experience, the best times to make money sa Philippine stocks were during times of crisis.
Aha.
So, for example, nung 2008 global financial crisis, or even more recently, yung 2020 COVID pandemic, those were the times na you can make a lot of money. Just for example, nung 2020, you saw shares or stocks of BDO, for example, from 130 pesos, bumaba ng 80 pesos. Ngayon, bumalik na siya ng 120, di ba? Mga Jollibee, from 200 plus pesos a share, bumaba ng 90 pesos. Ngayon, 150.
Bunga pa pala ng gano'n ng Jollibee,
Yes,
no?
so in fact,
Ng
it's
pandemic.
times of crisis na best opportunities to invest.
To buy.
If you have the money to purchase.
Yes,
no?
sir, yes.
Oh,
But
kasi,
how do you know
yun.
which to invest in?
yeah.
Well, of course, you have to do your analysis. Pero maybe later on, we can talk about how some mutual funds like yung sa UFI can help you with that.
Okay.
Yun. So as we speak now, dahil nga may crisis, masasabi niyo bang undervalued or underpriced? Is that the same, undervalued or underpriced ng mga Philippine stocks right now?
Generally, yes. Sorry to get a bit technical. No?
Oo.
Pero sa stocks kasi may ginagawa tayong valuations. So if you look at yung Philippine stocks, yung index natin, yung PSEI, is trading at around 10 times price to earnings ratio.
Meaning?
It means you can think of it as you're paying 10 years of earnings for yung investment na yan. If you compare to the US, for example, yung index nila, yung S&P 500, they're trading at like 29 times PE ratio. So, generally, mura talaga po yung Philippine stocks. And I say generally kasi, of course, this is the index. Marami pong stocks under that. May certain stocks na very good investments, undervalued in our view, na trading at 5 times PE or less. Pero meron rin pong mga mas mahal na hindi naman undervalued. So, generally, yes, mura siya ngayon. I think it's a good time to invest. Pero you have to be selective.
So, ang ordinaryong mamamayang Pilipino, ang tingin nila kasi sa stocks and the very term, investment, ay pangmayaman lang yun. Wala naman ako invest eh. Sasabihin nila, bilang manggagawa, may 1,000 lang ako, 5,000 lang. Diba? Pwede bang mag-invest sa mga manggagawa at, buy stocks?
Yes, ma'am. Actually,
Oo.
for example, sa fund that I manage, si United Fund Inc., UFI, or even yung other funds ni CAMC, yung fixed income fund namin or dollar fund. For the peso funds, the minimum investment is only 1,000 pesos. You can already invest.
1,000.
Yes.
Tell us about it.
Yeah, and so to give you a overview po
Okay.
muna, no. Of course, we always suggest muna to grow your income. 'Di ba? Kasi syempre to be able to invest kailangan niyo ng puhunan or capital,
Correct.
'di ba? So you have to grow your income first and then we suggest may emergency fund muna po kayo, savings, right? Para kung may emergency, hindi tayong sobrang affected, right? And then if you have excess cash, yun na po yung gusto niyong mag-i-invest sa mga higher potential investments like stocks. So sa Philippine stocks, actually, marami pong discouraged. Because if you look at yung index, yung PSEI, over the last maybe 12, 13 years, flat lang po siya. Nasa 6,300 levels. Makikita niyo yan sa chart. So marami pong discouraged. However, you'll also know na marami pong opportunities to buy the ranges. Very cyclical po kasi yung Philippine market. Bumababa siya, 10-20%, then it rises 10-20%. So if you buy low, sell high, you can make a lot of money, to be honest. For example, just this year in
What can we buy low also? Tell me
Yes.
later. Okay.
Yes,
So this
so
year-
for example po, si UFI United Fund Inc. This year, that's the fund I manage. We're already up 11% as of today. I think we're the first or second placer among the 20 plus Philippine equity funds, no. Whereas the market's only up around 5%. So my point is, if you actively manage it, you buy low, sell high, pwede po kumita.
Pero pag walang knowledge, paano?
And that is where
you come in.
Yeah, where we pitch po mutual funds. Kasi
Yeah.
if you invest in UFI or mga mutual funds, we pull the investment together.
Yeah.
Tapos kami na po, we professionally manage it for you. We select yung stocks or companies na we think tataas, right? And then we sell it pag umakyat na. And that's how we get our outperformance. So that's why maganda po yung performance.
Ano po yung UFI, Prof? You lost me there.
Ay,
Para yung mga nanonood ngayon,
Yun po again, yung mutual fund of
Yeah.
CAMC that is invested in Philippine
it's called
stocks.
United.
United Fund Inc.
Yun.
So
Or
kayo ang
UFI.
mamimili, Prof, na kung saan mag-i-invest yung mga tao. Yung pera lang nila yung gagamitin at kayo pipili ng magandang investment.
Exactly. And that investment changes over time, di ba?
Oo.
For example, ngayon gusto natin itong company.
Oo.
Pag umakyat na siya, we take profit na. Tapos we will buy the next company or stock na mababa pa. So that's how we grow our funds for our investors.
So, usually, pag beginner,
Okay.
beginner, yung mga Jollibee, mga
Yes.
ganon, mga pagkain, yung familiar ba sa kanila, close to home, baga, kung may 5,000, let's say,
Yes.
Prof, saan pwede? Anong i-advise mo? Saan ilalagay ito? Anong stocks?
Okay, so pwede niyo pong, of course, invest sa individual stocks, no? You can open a stock brokerage account. 5,000 pesos lang ata yung minimum to open an account. Pero syempre, may risk po na you get it wrong.
Always may
Yes.
risk.
Baka you buy high tapos you sell low, baka po malugi, di ba?
Mm.
May mga stories na people lose money. So you have to do a lot of analysis. No, we can talk about that. if you want. Pero medyo technical talaga siya.
Technical,
Yeah.
oo. Sa kailangan nakatuto ka talaga.
Yes, that's what we do po.
Yan ang ginagawa nila.
Yes.
Kumbaga, hindi ka mag-i-invest ng iiwan mo lang yung pera mo doon, bahala na. Si
Pero
Batman.
naman, sila yung manager nga, fund
Oo,
manager.
yun ang advantage.
Oo, na meron katulad nila.
Hindi, kung soloista ka lang,
Ay,
di
naku,
ba?
mahirap yun.
Hindi ka naman masyadong knowledgeable about the stock
Oo,
market.
mahirap.
Hindi mo alam kung kailan mo ita-timing yung pagbebenta
Pagbenta,
at
tama,
pagbili.
tama. Kaya kailangan
Unlike
natin
sa
mga katulad
inyo,
nila.
Pwedeng pagkatiwala sa inyo. Kayo nang bahala.
Yes, sir. It's of course
Oo.
professionally managed po.
Yeah.
We do a lot of analysis, di ba?
Oo.
Titingnan namin mga financial statements, yung companies, nag-grow ba sila?
Mm-mm.
Okay ba yung industry, yung valuations, even yung mga technicals, yung mga sa charts,
Mm-mm.
best time to buy, best time to sell, mga supports, resistances, ganun. Lahat po yun, we deploy to make the best investment decisions for our fund.
Para sa mga busy na tao,
Mm.
Papo, pero gusto mong mag-invest
Oo.
at gusto mong lumago kasi pag nasa bangko lang yun,
Masenso sa buhay.
tenga lang yun, 1%, less yata
Yes.
than 1% eh,
Yes,
ang
ma'am.
savings eh. Mas maganda pa rin yan, tsaka yung long term.
Sa ganun
Long
na,
term.
Prof, kunyari, sabi mo as low as 1,000,
Mm-mm.
gano'ng kalaki ang return nun kung sakaling maging maganda yung takbo ng kanyang investment?
Yeah.
Well, of course, syempre depende po rin sa market. But I can tell you, for example, like I said, this year, in just the last 7 months, January 1, 2026, hanggang today po, we're up already by around 11%. And that is already after the fees that CAMSI charges. No? So naka 11% na in just 7 months.
So
Okay.
meaning, kung may pasok ka ng ano,
10,000, sabi mo na,
10,000.
10,000, yan.
5,000, 10,000. Ganun.
Pag 10,000, may 1,100 na po.
Yeah,
in
that's-
profits. Yes po, mga 11,000.
Kumita na ng
Kumita
1,100 yung
Yeah.
10,000 mo.
Of course.
Paano sa how many months?
In just last
January
7
to
months.
ano lang.
7 months.
This year lang po, 2026.
Oh. Whereas, pag nilagay mo yung 10,000 sa bangko,
Bangko, swerte na po kayo if may 4-5%, di ba?
ang baba.
Yes. So, and that's for 1 year. One
Oh,
whole
1 year ka
year.
mag-aano,
Naka 7
hintay.
months pa lang tayo. So,
Oo.
you're looking at mga 2 to
So,
3%
ganito, Prof.
pa lang.
Like yung grupo namin, yung staff namin, 5 sila. Bawa.
Mm.
Gusto nila, yung sweldo nila, itataya nila sa stocks. Tigo 1,000, 5 sila, di ba? 5,000. Kanino ngayon nakapangalan yung kikitain na either, ano tawag doon, dividends or shares? Kanino sa kanilang 5?
Okay.
Ang grupo.
Well, we suggest po, of course, if you're gonna make an investment
Yeah.
for individuals po, no, dapat nasa individual names niyo po talaga.
Individual.
So,
mas-
individual
Dapat
names.
individual.
Opo.
Dapat individual.
Unless you're an institution like a company, ganun,
Yeah.
corporate account, pwede po. But otherwise, individual po. It's cleaner. And again, 1,000 pesos lang naman po. So you can have your own accounts, di ba?
Yeah.
Oo.
Mahirap ba na
Di po. Yeah.
Paparegister mo, gusto mo mag-invest?
No, actually, I believe the requirements are just IDs, tapos may form lang yan. And then, yun,
Yeah.
very, very simple.
Pero hindi ba
Yes.
tedious on your end? Kasi alit lang ng investment, alam niyo yun, 1,000, 5,000, 10,000, tapos individual account pa. Parang ang dami-dami nila. Ganun.
We don't mind po. We're very happy to have
Oh,
investors, no matter how small, no.
Oo.
And we have a whole team, sa sales team namin, who will take care of you. You can reach out through our, for example, our website, which is cocolife.asset.com, or even yung mga sa social media pages po namin, on Facebook, Instagram, of CAMSI, and you can feel free to message us there and someone will help you out.
Alam mo, Prof, this is one great way to be financially literate, ha? Una, para hindi how do you call, Papo, yung parang na bibindang ka pag investment at saka stocks na yung topic. Na-intimidate ka eh. So, it shouldn't be intimidating, di ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Oo. Pangalawa, for hindi to pang mayaman lang.
Of
Oo.
course.
Yung hard-earned money mo, minimum of 1,000, galing ano, minimum of 1,000 kaysa bumili ka lang ng bilhin kung ano-ano dyan, mga frappuccino dyan ang mahal. Alam mo yun, i-save mo na lang, dyan mo ilagay. Tapos maganda dyan, pwede ka mag-top up, di ba?
Of course,
So
ma'am.
every month, dinadagdagan mo yung 1,000 mo. Pwede ba yun, Doc?
Yes,
Ay,
yes.
Doc tuloy, Prof.
Yes, in fact,
Okay.
I think the minimum to top up is only 500 pesos
Every
after
month.
the initial. Well, pwedeng every month, but it's up to you naman po.
Yeah.
No pressure naman. And I want to say, yun nga po, it's always good to start small. Syempre, before you start your first investment, medyo
Yeah.
nakakatakot. We're not
Oo,
familiar
oo,
with
oo.
stocks, ano ba yan, di ba? But once you started kahit 1,000 pesos, nag-o-open kasi yung world mo eh. You start to ask, okay, ano ba yung ni-invest ko? Like, what are the opportunities to gain more money, di ba? So over time, you will learn more, di ba? And then you will also invest more. So in the long term, after 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, baka malaki na po yung ipon nyo. And other than what you put in, meron pa yung growth, right? So that is what we advocate for. In the long term, gusto nyo pa natin na yung investments nyo are becoming quite
Sa
substantial.
mga tuwid ang ini-advise niya, huwag masyadong impatient, huwag yung i-withdraw agad,
Oo,
kailangan
kasi
long term.
Hindi rin ganun super laki.
Oo,
yung
ang
makuha mo.
mangyari. So, parang
May
mangga.
enjoy mo lang in the long run.
Oo.
Medyo tagal na.
Parang nga mangga eh. Either munggo yan o
Oo.
mangga. Munggo, harvest mo agad. Mangga, maghintay ka. Parang ganon, di ba?
Exactly,
Oo.
exactly. Ayaw rin po natin yung parang get rich quick
Oo.
scheme na parang
Naku, yun
delikado.
marami na nag-o-offer. Tapos
Yes.
biglang tatakbuhan ka ng
Yun
ano,
nga po, yun
ng
nga.
kumpanya.
Oo, exactly.
That's
Laki
why
ng nilabas mo.
Oo.
Akala mo malaki din yung
Oo.
balik.
Yeah.
Kukunin pala lahat.
Oo, don't be
Yes.
scammed just because you're desperate
At
for
least
money.
sa stocks po, let's say maka-average po
talaga.
tayo ng 10 to 20% a year. Well,
Yeah.
at least safe po yun. You can feel secured kasi all these funds were SEC registered, for
Okay.
example. May mga
Oo,
compliance regulations. So you can be comfortable in your investment.
At ang maganda dyan, Papo, once you have shares or stocks, you're already a shareholder of that company. You can proudly say, I'm shareholder of Jollibee. Charot!
Yes, yes.
Totoo naman eh. Totoo naman, di ba?
So these days wala na po.
Wala na.
um,
Paano yun? Bro.
Naalala ko dati nung kabataan namin, pag nag-invest kami sa Petron pa yun eh, di ba? Sa
Sa
kasano,
ABS-CBN.
ABS-CBN.
shares. Merong dumadating.
certificate.
Oo,
It's
oo.
the same concept except ngayon po, syempre, lahat digital.
Paperless na.
So
oo.
pag nasa broker account niyo po or sa investment account niyo, you're still owner naman po. You really do own a part
Shares,
of that
oo,
company.
yeah.
Part
Oo,
owner.
diba? Papo.
May mga nagpapasok din ng malaking amount sa inyo.
Of course, sir. Of course.
Pwede rin.
Ano yung pinakamataas na pwedeng,
Wala naman pong limit,
Walang
but
limit.
syempre we're dealing with bigger amounts, no.
Yeah.
Si Camsi, we manage over 1.5 billion pesos kasi.
Oh.
So
Yeah,
Yung mga
Papo.
OFW, ang dami.
Ay,
Lalaki
okay.
nakita nila.
Oh, yun nga eh.
OFW.
Yeah.
yes. Lahat
for
po. May
OFWs.
So,
OFWs.
kunyari, nagpasok ng half a million. Kunyari, 500,000. Ganun.
Pwede po. Then-
Malaki din ba ang return nun?
yes, it's all
ganun pala.
proportional
Malaki
po, di ba? So, in your example, kung 500,000 po yung investment nyo,
Based
may
on doon sa kanina. Yung
sa kanina, ng 11% return,
Ah.
meron na po kayong 55,000 profit. Di ba?
Kaya sa mga
Lalagay
nanonood
mo
sa
lang doon, di ka
atin,
na ano.
exactly, mga nanonood sa ating OFWs, kasi malayo sila eh,
Oo,
sa bansa
yes.
natin. So, ang tendency nun, pag di nila nakikita, di ba, madali silang maloko.
Mm.
So, kailangan talaga, like Coco Life, andyan na eh,
Oo,
institution
matagal na
na.
kumpanya to
Hindi
eh.
yung kung ano nung lumalabas sa Facebook, na
Yes.
porket na sa Facebook naniniwala. Nasa scam sila.
Yes.
Afterwards, ibablock na lang sila. Ang dami. So, iba talaga pag doon ka sa may,
Oo.
meron na
Pangalan
kredibilidad at
Oo.
pangalan.
Kunyari, nag-earn na yung investment mo, kailan mo pwede siyang makuha?
What's a good,
yung tubo, kumbaga.
So,
holding time?
there is a minimum holding period, I believe. Pero, I think it's a few months. 6 months, if I'm not mistaken.
How many months?
6
6
months.
months.
Opo.
Na,
Pero sayang,
Oo.
pwede pang palakihin.
Pero, of course, we always recommend na pang long term talaga to. Di ba?
Oo.
Because yung 10%, for example, pag nag-compound po yan every year,
Yeah.
huwag niyo pong isipan after 10 years, baka malaki na
I have a
po.
question,
parang life
Prof.
insurance, parang gano'n. Yung nagbabayad ka, di ba, sa ano?
Similar in a way. Siyempre, not
Iba-iba
exactly.
rin.
Hinihintay mo lang na ano.
Ay, hindi, yun, hintay mo matay. Wala insurance eh. Hintayin mo bago mo
Di ba
makuha yung benefits
naalala
pag
ko,
life, di ba?
pag mga life insurance, meron bumabalik sa'yo.
Pag merong
depends.
component na,
Certain-
ano, na
Yes,
may
bulls
mutual
po.
funds.
Bulls a certain
Bulls, oo.
full view.
May iba kasi ganun pa po, merong mutual funds component. May iba yung,
Ba't di natin
traditional
nalaman
life.
kung kabataan natin? No?
kasi kabataan natin, wala pa to.
Sumusugal pa tayo sa stock doon, di naman natin alam kung paano.
Wala pa kasi noon. Ngayon na lang
Ang
nauso
hirap.
na may mga fund managers like Prof. Lee,
Oo.
di ba?
Matagal na yan
Oo.
sa industriya.
Yes.
Ilang taon na bang-
Yes.
Kasi tanda na ba namin, Prof? 55 years ago, meron na ba
20
niya mula
plus
po?
years.
Sorry, 22 years pala.
Wala
22
pa
years.
nga.
Nung
Yung
nagsisimula
kabataan
pa na tayo
natin,
sa
wala pa.
investment.
Pero huwag ka maglala, buhay pa naman tayo.
Pwede
Malakas
pa,
na
pwede
tayo.
pa. Oo, pwede pa tayo
Now,
invest.
Can we automatically assign ba yung term? Assign the shares to our kids? Or paano ba yun? Like, di ba, para if ever something happens, so automatic, alam doon, nakapangalan din sa
I
mga bata.
believe the forms might have a parang beneficiary
Ganon,
account.
meron.
Or baka pwede niyo pong gawing joint
Or
account
in trust or something.
Or
In trust. Ano ba yun?
yes,
in
pwede
trust,
po.
o yun.
Yes, pwede.
Pwede, in trust. So it sounds ano lang po, pero kayo ma-intimidate, sounds technical, pero actually pa na-explain ni Prof. Lee sa kanyang show,
Oo.
ano rin niyo lagi si Prof. Lee, maintindihan niyo kung bakit ganun ka-importante. Kaysa tumanda kayo na wala kayong kapera-pera. Yun ang nakakatakot sa lahat. Once you grow old, dami mo ng sakit, tapos wala nang mag-aalaga sa'yo, saan ka kukuha? Saan ka huhugot? So paghandaan mo yung retirement mo. na lahat ng sakit lalabas na. Ang lalim na iniisip mo, Papo.
Iniisip ko lang kung ano eh.
Ano yun,
Ba't hindi
Papo?
ko nagawa to noon?
Ito na nga,
Eh,
di
pero
ba,
yung mga
late?
viewers natin, yung mga young entrepreneurs,
Yeah,
no?
Yes,
yung mga young
yes.
OFWs natin na bukas ang isip sa mga
Yeah.
ganitong klase ng investment.
Yeah.
Paliwanag nyo sa mga sa mga magulang ninyo. Di ba? May
Yeah.
mga magulang kasi na sila yung parang imbis na i-invest,
Ganun.
nagagamit sa pagbili na kung ano-ano lang, hindi naman na nagtatagal.
Old school na.
Nauubos din
Old
yung,
school,
yung
old school
kayamanan. So,
Oo.
dapat mag-alat tayo ng portion ng ating kinikita
Yeah.
sa investment.
Tama.
Yun.
So, millennials out there and Gen Zs, huwag kayo maglala. May part 2 pa nating discussion. Kaya i-ready nyo na yung mga tanong nyo. Si Prof. Lee pa rin yung ating magiging guest. Anyway, Prof. Lee, saan kayo mapapanood? Ayan, and how often? And yung messages mga nanonood sa atin ngayon.
Our marketing team po is very hardworking. They try to post our videos every week. That's on our social media pages. Just look for Coco Life Asset or Coco Life Asset Management on Facebook and Instagram. And pwede rin po sa website namin. Although I think the show is on the social media pages.
Yeah. Sa mismong Facebook, doon
Yes.
Pwede
mapapanood.
rin
Yes, po.
magtanong dyan.
Yes, feel free to send us a message. Any questions po, may magre-reply pa sa inyo.
Ayan, no? Gawin nyo na
Ay,
yan.
sorry.
Ano yung ginawa
Bigla
mo?
ako nanonood. Ayan, si Prof.
Coco
Lee.
Life.
Prof. Lee Answers. Ayan, yan yung show. Parang podcast nga.
Okay.
So yan, mapapanood niyo si Prof. Lee. Nag-explain how to be financially literate. Nice.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Prof. Lee. So meron pa tayong part 2.
Yes.
Yan.
Thank you.
Prof. Lee of Camp C, Popular.